Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you preparation and certification in LEED AP Operations Maintenance, LEED AP O+M. Under the supervision of leader member of USGBC, Built Environment Plus. The LEED AP Operations Maintenance, LEED AP O+M, credential is designed for professionals involved in the ongoing operations and maintenance of existing buildings. The course content for LEED AP O+M covers a range of topics related to sustainable building management and practices. Distinguishes professionals implementing sustainable practices, improving performance, heightening efficiency, and reducing environmental impact in existing buildings through enhanced operations and maintenance. Benefits of LEED AP Operations Maintenance, LEED AP O+M. Becoming a LEED AP, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design accredited professional, with a specialization in operations maintenance, O+M offers several benefits. Both professionally and environmentally, here are some of the key advantages: expertise in sustainable building management, career advancement opportunities, meeting industry standards, cost savings and efficiency, enhanced building performance, tenant and stakeholder satisfaction, marketability and competitive edge, environmental stewardship, energy and resource conservation, LEED certification management. LEED AP Operations Maintenance, LEED AP O+M, Employment. Earning the LEED AP Operations Maintenance, LEED AP O+M, credential can enhance your employability and open up various career opportunities in the field of sustainable building operations and maintenance. Here are some potential employment paths and roles for individuals with the LEED AP O+M designation: Facilities Manager, Property Manager, Building Operations Manager, Energy Manager, Sustainability Consultant, Environmental Compliance Specialist, Building Performance Analyst, Corporate Sustainability Roles, Green Building Program Manager, Real Estate Development. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.